Howdy folks, it's me Sale Brutale and I'm hailing live from a hilltop above Rana, Norway. It's a beautiful sunny day in mid-April 2018 and we have a clear view of the town itself. The sky is pretty much clear. We had a huge aurora last night over the town and I'm filming this with DJI Osmo gimbal, shooting at 1080p, which I bought from one of my colleagues, and I'm still getting used to this thing. It's like controlling I don't know, a pretty strange camera, but it takes getting used to it for a while. Anyway, I'm gonna zooming in first on the edge of the fjord over there, somewhere in the direction of the town center. Yes, where the Amphi shopping center is, down below. That is basically the maximum zoom I could get there. Yeah. So up left, on the upper left, you can see the harbor, and there's a police station down there. Down on the left side, and I believe on the right from us here is like a huge industrial complex, also known as MIP or Mo Industripark. Basically consists of factories, metal production going on in there. I'm not quite sure. I'm not familiar with the details. Yes, this thing even has a cool selfie feature, but I need to take a really good care of where am I stepping here, because I don't want to tumble down this hill, because I don't know if somebody's going to find me at all. It's a beautiful sunny day, Sunday. Oh, this is actually, well, I'm still filming this thing. I could show you around this. I believe this place is called Appelsinhaugen or something like that, but I'm not quite sure because I do not know Norwegian. Yeah, they have like a small hut here, a barbecue, and a picnic table. Take a closer look here. Yeah, cool. See, we have sunflower seeds here in this like a small feeding box. Little birdies are nibbling on the seeds. You can see on the floor there's like a whole lot of bunch of them seeds. Yeah. Nice little birdies. And this small shed is probably, while people are making them barbecues, relaxing. Actually, to my surprise, this is, really nicely executed. Like pictures of birds inside this place. It's like the table is set. I mean, I could actually have a dinner here if I brought any meat or anything else. We have a regional map. It's really, oh look, they even have like a post office box. Receive mail in this place. Candles for ancient Viking ceremonies, stuff like that. Yeah, some grill gear. Yeah, it's a lovely place. I believe it's even better during the summer or springtime. If springtime or summer does exist in this place, because I'm starting to fear I won't get any like a real summer here, because of it's April and everything is still like frozen. So yeah, this thing also has the selfie mode. Let's try this one out. Tap, tap, tap. Triple tap on the cam. Ooh, selfie mode on. Look at me. By the words of Duke Nukem, damn, I'm looking good. Yeah, so basically it looks like a camera crew is filming me because of the. Whoa! I need to hold this thing stable. Maybe I could just have like an object tracking. Oh yes, object tracking basically is not working on this model. Probably on the Osmo Pro. But anyways, look at how this thing smooths out the motion. Nice. This thing is epic. My hat's off to DJI for creating this thing. And they're, alongside the gimbals, they have an excellent selection of drones like Mavic Pro, and so on. I'm not a drone type of dude, but buying a gimbal to have like a steady shots like these is like wow. Especially if you have like a shaky hands or what's the name of Parkinson's? I almost said Alzheimer's because I'm a freaking idiot. Yeah, if you have Parkinson's, I mean, this is a joke, so please don't get offended, people. This thing smooths out. Whoa, look, woo, smoothity smooth. Yeah, so I actually blew off my lungs climbing this thing, and I'm not even at the top. So I'm gonna exit the selfie mode. Tap, 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 triple tap again. Yeah, we're out of the selfie mode, and yeah, you can still see that the hilltop is far away up. Maybe I'll climb it one day, not today, I don't believe, because I'm heading back to my hotel, and I'm gonna prepare myself dinner. Actually, I could have brought something here so I could cook it here, but no, not thinking in advance. That's the biggest problem of mine. But yeah, I'm enjoying the view. Maybe if this thing it has a digital zoom, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to catch the beauty of the mountain range far beyond the fjord. Look at that place. Wow. As I was climbing uphill, the only thing I could really think about was High Hrothgar from Elder Scrolls V Skyrim, because it reminded me, although I did not encounter any snow trolls or any regular trolls. What was I saying? Yeah. Anyway, it was a really steep climb. I could feel like sweat flowing from my back to my butt cheeks. I was really sweating when I climbing this hill. I really need to get back into form and condition. Yeah. But anyways, a lovely Sunday day in Helgeland in Mo i Rana, above Mo i Rana, and I thank you all for watching this short video. As you can see, at least I'm enjoying the natural wonders of this beautiful country known as Norway. Thank you and see you later.